Doctors share quick-acting cough remedy for relief. What's up, smarty people? It's KeysDAN, RadioWhat.com, DJLittleRock.com. KeysDAN Show. As coughs persist among many individuals, a lesser-known remedy has emerged: marshmallow root extract. Often overlooked, this herbal remedy has been used for over 2,000 years, and it's distinct from the common confectionery marshmallow. Medical professionals describe it as effective for alleviating throat irritation and coughing due to its mucilaginous properties, which create a soothing coating in the throat. Research supports the efficacy of marshmallow root. A 2018 survey published in Complementary Medicine Research reported its benefits in treating dry coughs, while a 2020 review reiterated its advantages for sore throats and other respiratory issues. Additionally, a 2021 study found that combining the extract with honey could enhance its effectiveness by prolonging its soothing effect on the throat. Marshmallow root can be consumed in various forms, including tea, tinctures, and capsules, all of which are widely available in grocery stores and online retailers. However, it is advised that individuals consult a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment, as potential interactions with other medications may occur. While marshmallow root extract may provide quick relief lasting only about 10 to 20 minutes, it is recommended primarily for minor coughs. For persistent or severe coughing that lasts more than 3 weeks, medical advice should be sought. Other remedies that may also provide relief include honey, pineapple juice, warm salt water, licorice root tea, and warm broths. While marshmallow root may not replace traditional cough syrups entirely, it offers a potential natural alternative for those seeking relief from mild cough symptoms. Stay healthy, my friends. It's KeysDAN, RadioWhat.com, DJLittleRock.com. KeysDAN Show. Peace. I'm out of here.